Brother O? What happened to you?
Yeah. Kuya. What happened?
I went to the park to fly with these racer dudes.
What did I tell you about trying to be a racer?
I didn't even get to race. I was just practicing freestyling and I crashed.
You should just shoot aerial video like me. Much safer.
It's okay. When I crashed, I just bumped my head and nicked my ass.
How were those other flyers?
Yeah. Kuya. Tell us.
Those guys know how to fly. Gonna fly like them someday.
I want to be a fashion model. Tee hee hee.
Nai says I'm going to grow up and be a doctor.